In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a matrix or rating scale question using Surveymonkey. If you're looking to gather detailed insights and opinions from your survey respondents, a matrix or rating scale can be an incredibly useful tool. It allows people to evaluate multiple items using the same set of criteria, making data collection straightforward and efficient. So let's dive right into how you can set this up on Surveymonkey. First things first, log into Surveymonkey with your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the survey for which you want to create a matrix question. Click on the Design Survey tab, which will allow you to modify the questions in your survey. Now, to add the matrix, find the spot in your survey where you'd like to place it. Click on the plus new question button in that section. Next, you'll want to choose the matrix rating scale option from the question types. This will create a framework for your question, where you can customize the content to suit your needs. For the question text, you might consider something like, how satisfied are you with the following services? This sets the stage for what your respondents will be evaluating. Next, you'll need to think about the specific items you want rated. These items become your rows. For example, you might enter something like customer support, website navigation, and product quality. These elements are what you'll be gathering feedback on. Then shift focus to establishing your rating scale. These become your columns. You could choose a variety of options, but a common approach is to use a typical satisfaction scale: very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, and very satisfied. This way, respondents can express their level of satisfaction in a clear and coherent manner. For those interested in more advanced configurations, Surveymonkey offers flexibility in how responses can be selected. You have the option to choose between allowing a single answer per row, using radio buttons, or permitting multiple answers using checkboxes. Selecting the right option will depend on whether you want one or multiple responses. To enhance analysis, you might want to add weights to each of the rating scale options. For instance, you can assign numerical values from 1 to 5, corresponding to each scale point. This assigned value can help you analyze the data quantitatively later on. Make sure to mark the question as required if you want to ensure that every recipient provides feedback. This can be particularly important if you need comprehensive insights from all respondents. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save. This will implement the matrix question into your survey, ready for your respondents to complete. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a matrix or rating scale question on Surveymonkey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in crafting insightful surveys.